What's going on YouTube? So, a little bit of a backstory before I get into the prank. My girlfriend, I've been with her for the past 3 years now, and she's very, very jumpy. Now, I can literally make her jump by walking from a corner of a room, and she's in another room, and if I walk past her, it will make her jump. And on another note, if I'm next to her and I go rah, it will make her jump as well. So it's very, very easy to make her jump. So I thought, let's up it a little bit and let's put it on another level. So I went and actually bought one of these little things, which is an air horn. Now if you know about them, they might be small, but they are very, very loud. So please don't kill me, Jess.
A few moments later.
What's going on? I've been finished since we left Granny's. No, it's not nothing. We yelled at Henry. That's not like you.
None of this is like me. He's never used to me.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about wicked witches and time-traveling holy wars. I've forgotten what it was like here. I don't want that for Henry.
So you're taking